My God, this factory you have here is very impressive.
Yeah.
Quite big. What's the scale of the factory here, and what kind of solutions do you offer your customer?
Yeah, this factory is about 100,000 FT. It's
okay.
about
It's
we
on
have
five floors, yeah?
Yeah, this factory have workers over 60. The first floor is mainly cutting and bending.
And the second floor?
Yeah, and the press. The third floor is for the jig room and the packing.
Oh, right, okay.
We make titanium, aluminum, and stainless products, mainly for the exhaust, mid pipe, and cutback exhaust.
Right.
We also make a kind of
very good.
intakes. Titanium and aluminum intakes have. Yeah.
And what kind of solutions you offer your client?
Yeah, we make a customer can send off drawing or simple. For example, you send off the drawing, we can our own 3D printer machine. First, we will make the 3D printer. Then make a jig by the 3D printer.
Very good.
We also make a customer, your logo. We have 2 engineers. We can make your own products.
Right. Yeah. So you offer them complete solution.
Yeah. We can sign NDA with you. We just make the production with you. We can share your products with anyone.
Very good. Nice. I can see it's very big and, you do everything.
Likely your logo, your packing, and your products ship. If you don't have an idea, we have engineer here can help create your design.
Very good.